not forgotten. God will gather every broken piece of you, piece by piece. The Lord declares, I will gather you like scattered sheep in distant land. He will bring you back into his hands. Micah 2 verse 12. You may feel scattered, pieces of yourself drifting far, dreams you thought you lost in the dark, lost, misunderstood, too broken to be made whole again. But hear this, God is saying, I will gather you. Not some pieces, not what's left, but all of you. Every shattered hope, every hidden tear, every part you thought was beyond repair. Like a shepherd to the valleys deep, he calls your name when you can't speak. He finds you where you fell apart and gently gathers every scar. So do not fear your scattered state. You are not lost. You are not late. What feels like distance, pain, or delay is God aligning you along the way. And even now in broken places, he's writing purposes into traces. What looked like loss, what felt like an end, it turns into a healing once again. Because God will gather you piece by piece, your weary soul, into his peace. And what was scattered, torn apart, will testify of who you are. Hallelujah. Restored, rebuilt, made whole again. Glory